Promo alert, promo alert, promo alert. Today is Who Let the Dogs Out? Listen, man. Promo alert today is Encrypted Frenchie Stash. They got the biggest dome in the Frenchie game, and his name is Crypto. Stud fee only $600. They out of Tampa, Florida. Little puppies due around Christmas. Puppies starting at $4K. Make sure y'all follow them on Instagram. Check them out. Y'all want the best litter in the game, right? What up, gang? I'm back with another video. I say I'm back with another video. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Yes, I said subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. It's free. Do it for me. What's up, gang? I'm back with another video, man. Let's get straight to it, man. I hate to say it, and I hate to be the one to bring y'all bad news, man. But this shit ain't looking too good. OTF member, YSL affiliate, Slime Life Shawty admits that YSL is a game, man. Mind you, he was one of the ones that was locked up. He damn near went the same route as Gunna, man. He admitted YSL is a game and they did criminal stuff. Mind you, he's OTF, but he was finna sign with YSL. It's a hi from Fulton County Court update on YSL case. After Gunna rapper Slime Life Shawty, aka One Lee, is in court today pleading guilty to racketeering charge, admits that YSL is a gang, will get 1 year commuted to time served, should be out of jail soon after 9 months. Another guilty plea in the YSL case. Other than Gunna, Slime Life Shawty may have been the rapper with the most career momentum before the indictment, though he was not actually signed to YSL label and was being pushed by Lil Durk and OTF instead. Listen, this not finna be the third. This not finna be the fourth. The motherfuckers want to get out of there, man. They want to get out of there. And by them taking this plea, right, they gonna get out of jail. The ones, these the small fishes. These the ones that they don't really have nothing on. These the small fishes, right? So all the small fishes gonna take this plea and get out, right? But guess what? That's doing the thug. That's digging thug in a deeper and deeper and deeper hole. If we got 10 people saying YSL is a gang and they committed criminal crimes, they witnesses saying, hey, YSL is a gang. I admit that. I admit they committed criminal crimes under the gang. We got 10 people saying they is, and we got one over there with Thug saying they not. Who you think gonna win? Majority win all the time. But by Thug being the leader, what you think they gonna do to the leader? They always throw the leader under the jail. They always get a leader, numbers be so big, look like a fucking football scope. Fuck! I feel bad for my nigga Thugger, man. But let me tell y'all something. This is the consequences when you out in these streets and you gang related, Slime Life Shawty, that nigga wasn't even really in. Yeah, like, he was new. He wasn't even really linked in like that. But he was a part of the group. He was hanging around them niggas. Let me tell y'all something, man. And I done said this before. When I was in high school, right, my neighborhood gang, call it a gang or whatever you want to call it, but my neighborhood, you know, and you know, down south we rep hoods. We don't really rep blood crip like that. That ain't, you know what I'm saying? People do, but we don't do that. Really do that shit. We rep hoods. My hood was fighting with 3-4 other hoods. I'm talking about, we made the news. We all in school with this shit. The police came and got me out of class. And they showed me pictures of me standing on the block where they was in their cars. Surveillance. Yeah. In their cars had us under surveillance. Taking pictures and videos while we just standing there on the block. They had 2 pictures with me standing on the block with my homies. We wasn't selling no drugs. They didn't see us doing no crime. They just took pictures of us just standing on the block. You know what that police told me? We gonna be out there some more watching y'all. We watch y'all on the way to school, after school, and on the block. If I catch you in one more picture, one more video with these same group of people, I'm gonna come lock you up for gang affiliated. That's, hey, all it take is 3 pictures, 3 videos, gang affiliated. He say one more, I'm gonna come get your ass for gang affiliated. I know somebody who the police was watching. He was a big time drug dealer, right? His homie just used to come and holler at him. But every time his homie come holler at him, he always had a book bag. The police never caught him with nothing. Never caught the homie that always had the book bag. Never caught him with nothing. Never seen him do nothing. When they came and got that big time dope dealer and hit him with the Rico, they hit the homie with the same charges. Because they say, man, you walk in that bitch every day, you know what he got going on. Just having knowledge. Just having knowledge. You know what he doing. So you gonna get this conspiracy too. You gonna get this conspiracy too. And them motherfuckers is the ones that gonna tell. It's messed up that they in the middle of it. But I just told y'all that to let you know how easy it is. How easy it is to be caught up in conspiracy, to be caught up in RICO acts and shit like that. Just by having knowledge of what's going on. Hey man, this shit ain't looking too good for Thug. If y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. It's free. Do it for me. Okay.
They learned that men's #1 cause of depression is environmental stress. Literally, that's the #1 cause, environmental stress. Meaning everything that we around and everything that we surround ourselves around, you know. So until we able to kind of evaluate who and what we got around us and change our our environment, we not gonna allow ourselves to grow.
Oh, alert. Listen, if you guys want promo, DM me on Instagram at Music101CEO. Music101CEO. I'm doing $20 promo. For $20, you will get one video promoted on my YouTube channel. For $40, I will promote 3 videos for you on my YouTube channel. $60, I'll promote 6 videos for you on my YouTube channel. And $120, I will promote 12 videos for you on my YouTube channel. You need YouTube promo? You trying to get your business up? You trying to run your numbers up? Hit me up at Music101 CEO. Hey, you don't want to miss it. The results is great.